Hey fellow Dota fanatics, welcome to Gaming Basics, your one-stop solution for mastering the essentials. Let's dive in and level up together. In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy Alchemist's immortal weapon, Eternal Radiance Bleeds in Dota 2. To do so, you first need to open your Dota 2 via the Steam client, and then go to Armory, and search for Alchemist, which is right over here. Go to Weapon, and search for Eternal Radiance Bleeds, which is right over here. You can choose to preview it by clicking it once, like this. Here's the item itself. And if you want to buy this, just click on this green icon, like so, which will bring up the Steam market. Here it is. And here are all the sellers who are selling this item right now. Just click on Buy Now. Scroll down, and if you have enough funds in your Steam wallet, there will be an option called Confirm here. As you can see, I don't have enough right now, so there's an option called Add Funds. So you can add more funds in your Steam wallet and then go through with the purchase. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up. And if you have any questions for us, please feel free to mention us in the comment section down below. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell, so you never miss out on our latest guides and tutorials. This has been your host Ace. Happy gaming!